Good day. Please tell me about yourself and your family.
Hi, ma'am and sir. My name is Regina Saavedra, 41 years old, high school graduate. I have 3 kids. Their ages are 21 years old, 19 years old, 10 years old, and a husband.
Do you have a work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience to work abroad in Saudi Arabia. I finished 2 years and 4 months contract from November 10, 2018 and January 10, 2021.
What is your main duty?
I know how to take care of child, clean the house, wash and iron the clothes, car wash, go to the market, and cook food.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are work?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. and I wake up 5 a.m.
Are you the one who does the cooking and marketing at work?
Yes, I'm the one who cook and go to the market.
In 1 week, how many times do you go to the market?
2 times a week.
How do you describe the kind of upbringing your parents did to you?
My mother teach me to clean the house, go to the church every Sunday, and to be responsible person.
Do they spoil you or teach you how to be independent?
They teach me how to be an independent person so that I can manage everything.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will give my long patience.
How would you describe your previous employer?
They are kind, considerate, and understandable, especially when it comes to my family.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, I'm just only one.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day, little children want to play, rain, rain, go away.
Please say something to your future employer.
To my future employer, hi, ma'am and sir, if you choose to be a domestic helper, I will do my best serve you and family. I will be true to you and I will not broke you trust that you will give to me. I promise, take care your family. Thank you.